How can you prevent people from lying to you? You can never fully prevent people from lying to you, although there are a few techniques that can certainly help you. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I am the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Let me share with you 3 ideas that can certainly reduce the likelihood that people will lie to you. The first one, look prepared. What I mean is that once you have the discussion with somebody, make reference to previous discussion, show that you are able to discuss about details, make reference to the notes that you have taken, and as the people feel that you're well prepared, they are less likely to lie to you because they are afraid that you may spot their lie. A second idea, signal your ability to obtain information. Let's say that you're interviewing a candidate and you're afraid that this candidate may lie about their current salary. So you may say, well, I do know a number of people at your company. We have also interviewed the previous candidate, but just to give me an idea, what is your current compensation? A third idea, do not lie yourself. Because sometimes people lie out of self-defense because they believe that you're lying to them. So if you give them some evidence that you said the truth in the past, or if you're sharing some information that can make you vulnerable, then you're more likely to create a trust-based type of relationship without lie. To summarize, to reduce the likelihood that someone is going to lie to you, look prepared, signal your ability to obtain information, and do not lie. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.